Tahiti's natural beauty is unmatched, and what better way to honor it than by planning an eco-friendly wedding? Start by incorporating local flora and fauna, which not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also celebrates the island's biodiversity. Use indigenous flowers for decorations and collaborate with local experts to ensure sustainability. Sustainable decor is key. Choose biodegradable confetti, energy-efficient LED lighting, and reusable signage. These choices not only add to the beauty of your ceremony, but also demonstrate your commitment to the environment. Remember, sourcing materials locally can further reduce your wedding's carbon footprint. Adhering to leave no trace principles is essential. Be mindful of waste and environmental disturbances. Pack out all trash, use existing trails, minimize campfire impacts, and respect wildlife. Following these guidelines ensures your wedding leaves a minimal footprint on Tahiti's ecosystem. Selecting a forest location requires assessing the environmental impact. Consider the size of your guest list, transportation to the site, and any structures that may affect the landscape. Understanding seasonal considerations is also vital. Choose the right season to align your vision with environmental conditions. Supporting local and ethical vendors is a cornerstone of an eco-friendly wedding. Choose caterers who use local organic ingredients and offer plant-based options. Collaborate with green florists who use sustainable practices and hire photographers with a commitment to sustainability. These choices support Tahiti's economy and environment. Design a natural altar using elements from the forest, and infuse personal and cultural elements into your ceremony. Ensure guest comfort and accessibility by offering various seating options and clear access to the site. By doing so, you create a sacred space that is not only beautiful, but also inclusive and respectful of nature. In Tahiti, your eco-friendly wedding can be a true celebration of love and commitment to the planet. Every choice you make is a step towards a more sustainable future, and your special day can set a precedent for mindful celebrations in this tropical paradise. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.